Discover the life and teachings of Epicurus, the philosopher who championed the pursuit of happiness through simple pleasures, friendship, and tranquility of mind. Learn how his ideas on pleasure, fear of death, and the role of the gods continue to shape modern perspectives on happiness and well-being. Don't forget to like and share for more insightful philosophical documentaries. Epicurus, the philosopher of pleasure and peace of mind. In the peaceful gardens of ancient Greece, far from the bustling streets and crowded forums, a philosopher sought to unlock the secret to happiness and peace of mind. This is the story of Epicurus, the philosopher of pleasure and tranquility. Born in 341 BCE on the island of Samos, Epicurus would go on to challenge the philosophical norms of his time. After traveling and studying various philosophical schools, Epicurus eventually settled in Athens, where he founded his own school known as the Garden. It was here, surrounded by nature, that Epicurus taught his unique philosophy of happiness. It is not so much our friends' help that helps us as the confident knowledge that they will help us. Epicurus. Friendship was at the heart of Epicurus' teachings, and the Garden became a close-knit community of like-minded individuals dedicated to the pursuit of happiness. At the core of Epicurus' philosophy was the idea that the ultimate goal of life is to attain pleasure. But unlike hedonists, Epicurus didn't advocate for indulgence in physical luxuries or excess. Instead, he believed in the pursuit of simple pleasures, good company, moderate food, and thoughtful reflection as the key to a happy life. Pleasure is the beginning and the end of a happy life. Epicurus. For Epicurus, the highest form of pleasure wasn't found in wealth or fame, but in the absence of pain and the tranquility of the mind. Epicurus also sought to free people from the fear of death. He argued that death is nothing to fear, as it simply marks the end of consciousness. In his view, since we do not experience suffering when we are dead, the fear of death is irrational. Death is nothing to us, for when we exist, death is not, and when death exists, we are not. Epicurus. This famous statement from Epicurus continues to comfort and inspire those who struggle with the fear of mortality. Epicurus also addressed the role of the gods in human life. Contrary to popular belief in divine intervention, he believed that the gods, while they may exist, do not concern themselves with human affairs. This liberated people from the fear of divine punishment, allowing them to focus on living a virtuous and pleasurable life. What can we learn from Epicurus today? His philosophy reminds us that true happiness lies not in the pursuit of material wealth or fame, but in cultivating meaningful relationships, living moderately, and finding peace of mind. Epicurus' teachings continue to resonate with modern ideas of well-being, mindfulness, and the importance of balancing desire with contentment. Epicurus, the philosopher who sought to free humanity from fear and guide them toward a life of simple pleasures and peace of mind, left a legacy that continues to inspire us to seek happiness and tranquility in a complicated world. Let his story guide us on our own journey toward true happiness. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode of The Greatest Philosophers the World Has Ever Had. Please comment and let us know which documentary you would love us to make for you. Adios nos vemos.